Hello, my name is Yeselin Pendleton. I am the Assistant Director of the Criminal Justice Information Services Division, also known as CJIS. Here in CJIS, we have several different units. We have the TICS unit, where they process background checks for gun purchasers. We have the Law Enforcement Support Unit, where they audit and train local agencies who have access to ties in NCIC. We have the Criminal Records Unit. This unit is responsible for processing expungement orders, dispositions, and diversions. We had the fee programs unit. This unit, they process fingerprint-based background checks and name-based background checks. These background checks would go to employers who are hiring candidates to fill positions of trust. For an example, your nurses, your doctors, your teachers. So we also have the ties operations unit. In this unit, they oversee the message switch. The message switch is a complex system that allows law enforcement personnel to obtain criminal history information in a very timely fashion. And then we have our data quality unit. This unit is responsible for making sure that when agencies are submitting data through the APHIS system, the data is accurate. And so they spend a lot of time reviewing those submissions and making corrections as needed. And lastly, we have the Crime and Law Enforcement Statistics Unit. In this unit, they collect the TIBERS data, they collect use of force data, and death in custody data. The CJIS division is made up of civilian employees, and they all come from different backgrounds. For example, we have some folks who have experience working in a local law enforcement agency. We have some who have more of an education background who are serving in a training role. And then we have some who have state government experience. I love the people. We are a family. We take care of each other. I'm proud of everyone who makes up the CJIS division because they come into work, they're ready, and they understand the mission, which is making sure that we have accurate and complete criminal history record information, and also making sure that our local partners, such as the local law enforcement agencies and courts, have access to the appropriate systems so that they can do their job. And that overall enhances the public safety in Tennessee.